everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. For today's video, we're going to have another tutorial and I will teach you how to upgrade or verify your Paymaya account. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So click nyo lang itong nasa taas na to. And then makikita niyo to dito. Favorites, missions, vouchers, submit invite code, account limits, authorized request. And makikita niyo dito sa taas itong upgrade now. Yan yung click nyo. Complete your account in 3 easy steps. So kailangan niyo dito ng valid ID. So ano nga ba yung mga valid ID na kailangan dito sa Paymaya para ma-verify natin? So ito yan, ito yung mga accepted IDs. Pwede din gamitin ng driver's license, UMID, national ID, passport, postal ID, PRC ID, SSS ID. Take note, please make sure that you have a stable internet connection throughout the process. Get identified easier when you upgrade. Once you have updated your account, others will be able to see your name by default every time they transact with you. Data privacy. To protect your information and safety on Maya, we conduct periodic updates to ensure that your data is up to date. Your personal data will always remain secured and processed with the set guidelines under the Data Privacy Act of 2012. So, kaya na lang magbasa ng learn more and privacy statement and proceed na tayo. And pipiliin ko is itong postal ID. So dito sa part na to, pipicturean nyo na yung ID nyo. So ito yung mga tips sa pag-picture ng ID. Check your ID's expiry date and make sure it's still valid. The next one is take the photo in a well-lit room and place your ID on a plain dark surface. Make sure your ID is clear and the whole card is seen in the shot. Then the last one, take a photo of your physical ID instead of a computer screen or digital copy. So click continue pag ready na kayo. And kapag ready na kayo, click niyo yung take ID photo para mag-capture yan. Pwede nyo i-retake or kapag okay na, click nyo use this photo. The next step is take a video selfie. So dito mag-video selfie kayo. Tips for taking a video selfie. Go to a bright, evenly lit room. Find a plain, solid background. Take off all your face accessories. Keep other faces out of the shot. So dito allow nyo lang. Allow Maya to access all the photos and videos. This let you upload, save QR codes, and submit the photos and videos required to set up your account. Click nyo lang yung Enable Media Access. You are going to start the face verification. In order to smoothly pass the verification, please meet the following conditions throughout the verification. Keep facing the screen during the verification. Avoid verification under too light or too dark environment. Don't block your face features. Then sundin nyo lang yan para hindi na kayo tumagal at hindi tayo magka-problema sa process. So, let's start. So, dito tinakpan ko lang yung akin ng photo pero nandiyan na yun sa loob. Wait lang natin ma-process. So, mabilis lang naman to guys. And after yung dalawang yan, ito na yung lalabas. Mag-fill out na kayo dito ng information. So tell us about yourself. Please provide the following personal information. Age of work. Please check if the following details are complete and match your ID. So dapat nagmamatch sa ID yung ilalagay niyo dito. First name, middle name. Check box lang kapag wala kayong middle name. And last name. Nationality. Date of birth, kailan kayo pinanganak. Place of birth, saan kayo pinanganak, select country and city, and then current address, saan kayo nakatira ngayon. So makikita niyo dito may pamimilian naman siya. So, current address ang kayo nakatira ngayon, anong country, anong province, city. Enter barangay. Enter house, unit number, building, and street name. Optional naman yung additional address para lang yun sa madaming address. Then zip code. Then after nyo mag-fill out yung information, lagyan nyo na yung ID number and expiry date niya. Yung ID number is yung nakandad sa ID nyo mismo na pinag-surean nyo kanina. After that, click nyo na yung continue. Just make sure that everything's okay to keep approval process buttery smooth. Kung nag-alinlangan kayo, click yung check again and double check yung maigi para walang problema sa pag-verify nitong account nyo. And kapag okay naman na, click nyo na yung submit. Anyway, meron nakalagay dito na note, you can only have one Maya account at a time. By submitting, you allow us to restrict other accounts in your name. And ayun, bawal palang may multiple account kay Maya. So kapag meron na kayong Maya account before and gumawa kayo ngayon, pwede siyang ma-restrict or hindi niya ma-open yung dating yung Maya account. So that's the reason kaya hindi ko na ma-open yung isa kong Maya, pero I will try kung ma-recover ko pa yung isang yan. And gagawin ko ng tutorial if ever maging okay yung process. So i-click ko na yung submit. And i-wait lang to bago niya i-close yung application. And isa na siya, antayin na lang natin. We'll take it from here. Thanks for submitting your additional information. Your account update is under review. Successfully updated accounts will be able to enjoy all the features that Maya has to offer. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe.